Alright guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and download the apps on your iPhone. In this case I'm going to be showing how to do it for an iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so how it is being done. Now what you want to do is you want to locate the App Store application on your iPhone. So this is the original application that is needed to download and install any applications on your iPhone, and that's the only way, which means that you cannot use any other applications to do this, and you cannot download the applications from the Safari or Chrome directly. You need to use the App Store. That is the only secure method. Okay, so you want to tap on it to open it. Now once opened, you want to go here and register your iCloud account, which is needed to be able to download applications. In my case, it's already installed. If in your case it's not installed yet, you want to go there and create a new account. Now, once you're done, it's a very simple step-by-step process. Just follow the instructions on the screen. You want to press done after you've finished and go to the search bar. Well, we're going to the search bar. Here it is at the top of our screen, and just put in the title, the name of the applications you want to download. For example, I want to download Facebook. Okay, Facebook, we press on it, we found it, and there it is. We want to download it now. Pressing on here, and the download will begin. However, this application was already pre-installed before on my application on my phone, which means that the iPhone will not ask me for permission to update or install it, okay? But however, the Messenger, I never used the Messenger, so if I want to use a new application that I never used before, I'm pressing the Get button, okay, and now it asks me for permission. So I'm pressing the Install button, and now it asks me for the password from my iCloud newly registered account that you just registered just now. Okay, so you want to enter the password. Once entered, you're pressing the sign in button, and that will mean that you confirm and accept that the application will be now installed and downloaded to your iPhone and appear on your home screen. Okay, so once confirmed, you will see that the application starts downloading by this little tiny icon at the right side of your screen, and then once that's done, once it's downloaded and installed, you're closing the App Store and you're going to the home screen. And on the home screen, scroll to the right, scroll to the left, and you'll just locate the newly installed application somewhere around here. Okay, once found, tap on it once, and then you can begin using it. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.